Hi, Eric with the Kleen-Rite sales team coming at you today to talk to you about some vacuum hoses, specifically the new Dura-Slide vacuum hoses we brought in here within about a year ago. With all the supply chain issues and mergers and acquisitions, we sent our purchasing department out to get new vacuum hoses to get a secondary source, and they came back with the Dura-Slide hoses. The 4 features that this vacuum hose have that make it stand out from others is first, it's UV protected. So it helps protect about sunlight fade and fading out in the big parking lots out here. They're laying out all day with the sun. The color stays on them, which is a very great feature. Second is there's smooth internal lining in this, which makes the air easier to flow through, which helps create suction. Also, there's no grooves in there for dirt to catch in and sit and clog up to make this heavier than they normally are. Third cool feature is that they're crush resistant. This helps when vehicles run over, because everybody knows in the parking lot, everybody loves coming to your wash and running over your car wash vacuum hoses. These come back into shape and they hold up longer for durability. And fourth and finally, the most important thing about this vacuum hose, it's made in the United States of America. This is US made product, not imported from overseas or anything, comes from America, the United States, it's a United States product. These vacuum hoses are like our other vacuum hoses. They come in 15-foot sections and 50-foot sections, and they also come in 1.5" diameter and 2". So of all the vac hoses we have, this one fits in the same parameters. The difference is we've only brought in several colors of this vacuum hose to give deep discounts for the customers. We've brought in black vacuum hoses, we've brought in gray vacuum hoses, we've brought in black and gray vacuum hoses, a two-tone, we've brought in blue, and we bought in blue and black vacuum hoses, and finally we have red and black vacuum hoses, two-tone also. So we've only had selected colors in there, but by doing this, we've brought these in, these Dynamite products, great quality products, not as many colors spread out, but we bought in deeper. It's going to be our most cost-effective and probably our most durable vacuum hose that we have.